everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and today I'm going to show you how to do this cute little top knot. This thing optional, can't decide if I like it or not. It took me like less than 5 minutes and I think it's a super easy look for going out with friends, staying at home, going to work. I wear my hair like this to work. I think it's totally fine. What do we think? What is happening? So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to. I'd love to hear from you. Can't decide if I like this little thing, but I don't know. Thanks so much for watching. So the first thing you do is gotta take the mop off your head. Yikes. And brush it out. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm looking past the camera because there's a mirror past the camera so I can see what the heck I'm doing. So to get this cute little space bun, the first thing you're going to do is kind of just take a section of your hair. Now, I don't need anything to be perfect in my life, but I do like to make sure that the line like here and around the back and here is somewhat straight because it's not like super cute and it's got like zigzags all throughout. So honestly, the mirror's so far away. I think I did a pretty good job actually, first try. And so I'm gonna keep this out because this is what I'm working with, and I'm gonna pull the rest of this back because I don't need it. Don't want it. It needs to stay down. And actually, I don't even need all this hair like way back here. So I'm gonna section it. And see what I mean right here though? Like that's a little too crazy. So you just gotta take some more of the hair back. Okay, great. This is going back in my ponytail. And you all know by now that I love when my hair is not flat. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just take this front section, tease a bit, and you know what, heck, I'm just gonna take the whole thing and tease it just to give it some volume. Following that, I'm going to take a small little elastic. It's just, oh, it's kind of yucky. It's just this little one. I got them from the dollar store. I prefer clear ones. I thought black would be a good idea because I love black, but it's really not like when you're trying to do different hairstyles. So I'm gonna take that and put my hair in it. And then I'm gonna kind of pull again to make it a little bit bigger. And then this is a pretty thin section of hair, if you can tell. And so I'm gonna back comb it. I'm just gonna hold it up and brush it toward my head, because if you do that, it's gonna make it a little bit thicker. Oh, looks cray-cray. And then I have some bobby pins here. I'm just going to take this and twist it. Twisty twist, twist, twist. And then I'm just gonna start twisting right here. I have a friend who did this and her middle school daughter told her that she looked like she had a cupcake in her head, so now I'm very aware of that when I do this. Like, does my hair look like a cupcake? Is it fine? Well, that did not work very well. Just use all the bobby pins that you need to kind of get it into place. This is a super, super quick hairdo. So there you have it. It looks great. Now you can let down the rest of your hair and do whatever you want with it. What's happening? What on earth? I am going to go ahead and curl it. You could straighten it if you wanted to. You can do, honestly, whatever your heart desires. But I'm going to go ahead and plug in curling wand. This is just the same This is the same curling wand that I used in my previous video about how I curl my hair. It's a Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion Unclipped, and I'm using the biggest barrel that they give me. The bobby pins that I'm using, I bought them from Sally's. I think they're called Salon Care. They work really well, but I will say that they kind of hurt if you jam it into your head. I guess anything would hurt if you jam it into your head, but these ones hurt a little bit more than some other bobby pins that I've used. While I'm waiting, I will give the rest of my hair a little tease. If you want to see a video on how to tease your hair, I mean, I guess I show you in a lot of the videos that I do, but maybe a more step-by-step instruction, let me know in the comments below, because I love teasing hair. I love it when people say my hair does not tease or like it doesn't stay, because girl, it'll stay. Just let me do it. Let me teach you. And then I'm going to use the Big Sexy hairspray, and I'm just lifting up where I teased again. Probably should have done this when it was already lifted. I'm just staying at home today, so like I don't really care if it's the best of the best. But, oh, already heated. So, I've already shown you how I do this, so I'm just going to do it really quickly. Do we think this will be cute? I think so. So if you want a little extra flair in your life, I got this at Old Navy. I love it. So great. Thanks so much for watching.